make any noises. I'm in there sleeping in the other room. Don't make any noises in the kitchen when you cook it, okay? Okay, Ma, I won't. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh no! Shoot. What did I say about making noise in here while I'm sleeping? Wait, what? How did you, wait, what? Did you just teleport? How the frick did you do that? None of that matters. I just want to know how you're going to survive this butt whipping. Wait, what? You don't even have a belt. Yes, I do. Oh, shoot. Wait, what are you doing? Oh, you freaking. Oh, shoot. Oh, no, he doesn't. Like, Mom, please, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to make any noise. I'm just sorry. It was an accident. This is more for you than it is for me. Or is it the way around? Nah, it's definitely that. Think of something. Play dead. Oh, he's playing dead. Well, I can't beat him up while he's playing dead, even though he's already dead. I'm just gonna leave. Psych! Wait, what? You know what? Where's Noah at? I'm gonna whoop his butt too. Hey guys, it's Chris Johnson here. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like. If you did enjoy the video, leave a like. Sorry I hadn't posted all this weekend. I was kind of thinking of an idea. But probably later I'll have a Christmas video for y'all. So hit that subscribe button. We got a new subscriber. I forgot her name, but I'll remember it. Go subscribe for new videos and watch my other videos. And see you later. Peace.